The future of electric. It's hybrid. We love electric cars. They're the future. But sometimes you need to go the distance. And that's where things get tricky. Range anxiety is a real thing, right? But what if I told you there's a way to have your electric cake and eat it too? What if you could transform your EV into a hybrid? It's not science fiction, folks. It's happening now. This is huge news in the world of motoring. Hybrid technology is taking a giant leap forward. We're talking about making electric cars even more practical and versatile. Imagine the possibilities. You could zip around town on electric power, saving the planet and your wallet, then hit the open road without a worry, knowing you've got a trusty combustion engine to back you up. This is a game changer. Forget range anxiety. No more planning your life around charging stations. This is about freedom and flexibility. It's about getting the best of both worlds. Exciting times, right? Breaking barriers, making hybrid conversions a reality. Turning an EV into a hybrid might sound like a crazy idea. And you know what? It kind of is, but that's what makes it so brilliant. This isn't about simply bolting on a petrol engine and calling it a day. It's about clever engineering and innovation. One of the biggest challenges was figuring out how to fit all the extra bits into an EV. Space is precious in those things, but engineers, they're like magicians. They've managed to develop compact hybrid systems that can squeeze into existing EVs. We're talking about integrated electric motors, combustion engines, and fuel systems, all working together in perfect harmony. But it's not just about cramming things in, it's about making it work seamlessly. These systems are designed to switch between electric and hybrid modes automatically. You get the power when you need it and the efficiency when you don't. And the best part? These conversions are becoming increasingly affordable. We're not talking about breaking the bank here. This technology is within reach for everyday drivers. Powering up, horsepower train and twin E retrofit kit. Right, let's talk specifics. Two names you need to know, horsepower train and twin E retrofit kit. These are the big players in the EV to hybrid conversion game. Horsepower train is a joint venture between Geely and Renault. They've created a hybrid unit that's about the same size as an EV's electric motor. Clever, eh? The beauty of this system is its flexibility. It can run on various fuels, from petrol to synthetic stuff, and it can act as a parallel hybrid or a range extender. You choose. Then there's the Twin E Retrofit Kit, a brainchild of Solution F in France. This kit is designed to convert petrol cars into hybrids, but the technology is easily adaptable to EVs. It uses a 48-volt electric motor, a fancy planetary gear set, and a battery that fits snugly in the boot. The result? You can drive on electric power at lower speeds, perfect for city driving, and then seamlessly switch to hybrid mode when you need that extra oomph. These are just two examples of the incredible innovation happening in this field, and the best is yet to come. The road ahead, a hybrid revolution. So what does this all mean for the future of driving? In a word, revolution. Hybrid conversions have the potential to transform the automotive landscape. We're talking about making electric cars even more appealing to a wider audience. Think about it. No more range anxiety, lower emissions, greater fuel efficiency. It's a win-win situation. This technology is still in its early stages, but it's evolving rapidly. We're going to see more and more conversion kits hitting the market, offering even greater performance and affordability. My advice? Keep an eye on this space. This is the future of driving, and it's looking very exciting. So there you have it. The future of electric is hybrid. Who would have thought it?